In Ome or MiniChat, you can have video conversations with people from other countries, and if you don't want the people who connect with you on this app to be from your own country and you'd rather talk to people from other countries, follow the steps I'm about to tell you. It doesn't matter whether you're using the app or the website. Right now, I've entered the website, and whenever I access the website, I definitely need to turn on my VPN. If you want to connect with a specific country, your IP address needs to be from that country, so the VPN you use should be set to that country. Once your VPN is on, you can enter the app or the website. Then, at this point, you need to use the second option, which is to connect with your Gmail. In this section, you click on this option. Okay, I logged in through Gmail, and now my IP address is from Austria. So once you've selected this IP, you log in and you'll see that you're now connected through Austria.